Hello students, let us start the today's lesson. And what we are going to study in today's lesson, that what answer Abdul Kalam ji is going to give on the question, what is that energy which drives uh, Sri Shiv Kumar Mahaswami ji, right? What is that energy? So we know in yesterday's video, in yesterday's yes, in video previous video we already discussed that before giving this answer he thought about a lot of people that influence his life. And who were these people? These were Pramukh Swami ji and Mahapragya ji, then Professor Brahma Prakash, then Dr. Parera, Dr. Sarabhai, then Swami Sarvananda of Rishikesh, then his father, and all the people from whom Abdul Kalam got the lessons of life. He remembered all that people. He came to the conclusion, and now he is giving the answer. What is that answer? What is that thing which drives, which brings energy in Shiv Kumar Mahaswami ji? So at last he spoke. At last Abdul Kalam ji spoke after taking a pause of maybe 2-3 minutes. It is very spirit of what can I give, and he thought about that for long, and then he spoke, and the first word that came from his the mouth was what he said. He said it is with the very spirit of what can I give. He says the spirit of what can I give to the society. Understood? The spirit of what can I give gives that energy to Shiv Kumar Mahaswami ji. What can I give? He elaborates, and then Abdul Kalam ji elaborated that. He elaborated Mahaswami ji lies with the belief and ethos of our mission, and he gives education to family's mind and family's body. In giving so much, he became so strong. Understood? So Mahaswami ji, what was that force that helped Mahaswami ji to do all these things? So he said it is the spirit, very spirit of what can I give to the society. And then further he elaborated that. He says Mahaswami ji lives with the belief and ethos of our mission, and he says whatever our mission is there. What was their mission? Their mission was what can I give. What was their mission? Shrijanpal Singh and Abdul Kalam's mission was what can I give. So he says whatever our mission is there, Swamiji also used to believe on the same mission, on the same belief. And what was that? That what can I give to others? He gives education. He gives education to feminist minds, and he gives education to feminist minds and a feminist body. And for that, the inspiration of giving more and more to others made Swamiji to give education to the feminist minds, and this was the thing that inspired him to give food to the feminist bodies. And that was the thing which he was going on giving and giving to. Means when he started the ashram, around 450 some students were there, children were there, and slowly and gradually he went on giving and giving and giving, and finally the number of children were around 9,000. Acha, it was here given 9,000, that now that children are around 12,000 children are there in Swamiji's ashram. And we are talking about Swamiji's 102nd birthday, but Swamiji was alive till 109 years. Understood? He was alive till 109 years. 109 साल की अभी कुछ सालों पहले ही स्वामी जी का देहांत हो गया. Until that age, he was going on giving all these things to the children and to the feminist minds and feminist bodies, we can say. He gave education, he gave food, he gave shelter, he gave everything. And in giving so much, he becomes so strong. And while giving all these things, he becomes so strong that even death did not dare to take him away. And he was living with that energy. His many influence fuels his strength. And what was that fuel? What was that fuel? So it was the manifluence. Manifluence means generosity. Okay, generous. So it was the feeling of generosity, or the act of generosity, which was pumping the fuel within him, and that feeling, that energy was inspiring him, understood, to give more and more to the children's. And that is why at the age of 102 also he was able to, he was very active and alert, and he was inspiring thousands of minds, understood. That is what keeps him standing tall and active in life. The essence of happy life and a peaceful society lies in a sentence, what can I give? And finally Abdul Kalam told Shrijanpal Singh that the essence of a happy life, understood, the essence of happy life and a peaceful society and society lies in only one sentence. If we want that we must lead a happy life and society must be peaceful, then we must understand this one sentence, we must understand this one thing. And what is that thing? That is nothing but, what can I give? What is that? What can I give? And this was the thing which was feeling fuel inside Mahaswamiji to do all that social work which he was doing. Understood? What message actually Abdul Kalam or Shrijanpal wants to give us, that we also should learn to give something to the society. Getting? We should learn this thing. Then turning to me, he asked, what is the reverse of what can I give? Then he was just going on talking, and all of a sudden that one thought come in Abdul Kalamji's mind, and he asked Shrijanpal Singh, Shrijanpal, tell me, what is the opposite of what can I give? Then Shrijanpal Singh says, sir, opposite of what can I give is, I replied, what can I take? Yes, the opposite of what can I give is what can I take. Yes, he said. And he got that means he understood what is the reason behind all the wrong things which is happening in the society. Understood? And then he said, yes, he said, and that is the thought which is responsible for all the wrongs we see around us. And he says, yes, because of this only, because of the feeling, because of the spirit of what can I take, all this wrong, whatever wrong is happening all around us in the society, in this world, on this earth, it is because of that only one thing. And what is that? The feeling of what can I take. Means finally Abdul Kalam got the answer, that what is the root cause of all the wrong things which is happening in this world. Understood? And further he then elaborated all that things. So no, it is not possible to cover that things in this video only, and that's why we will continue in the next video. Okay, till then, bye.